The girls in this classroom in the North Indian state of Uttar Pradesh have encountered numerous difficulties in getting an education.
Oftentimes their parents don't understand the value of sending girls to school. They're expected to work in the fields, help in the kitchen, maybe raise younger siblings. Once they get to school, there are practical considerations as well that they have to overcome. In rural UP, there are lots of problems with electricity. The electricity can go out for 3 or 4 days at a time.
The IKEA Social Initiative has come up with a solution to this particular problem: the distribution of solar-powered lamps to children who don't have access to regular electricity.
The solar lamp is such a powerful tool for communities where there is no power supply, and sun is in abundance, so the battery can be recharged, it can be used for 4 hours at a stretch and then again recharged. So basically they're not dependent on any of the erratic power supply that is there. The children and the teachers are able to use their time well and in a very productive and efficient manner.
For every Sunan solar-powered lamp sold in one of its stores worldwide, IKEA is donating another lamp to UNICEF. India is among the recipients.
There are about 90,000 lamps, and they are going to 5 different states of the country. These lamps are basically reaching to those communities who did not have access to education, because they're going to tribal residential schools which are in far-flung areas of the states, and reaching to girl children who never have ever thought of achieving any kind of education.
जैसे कि लाइट चली जाती है तो उसको रख के जला के पढ़ते हैं, तो लाइट आएगी तो पढ़ सकते हैं. इस तरह लाइट चली जाती है तो सब्जेक्ट भी छूट जाते हैं और पढ़ने में दिक्कत होती है.
These girls at this Indian government-run residential school are exactly the kind of pupils the IKEA UNICEF scheme is aimed at.
Our school is mainly for the dropout girls. Most of them are facing poverty, mostly financial problems. But these girls want to be something in their life. So these lamps are very much beneficial to our girls.
With brighter nights in which to read, play and study, these children and thousands like them now have the chance of a brighter future too.